Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the ninja cat from Battle Cats. Alright, so let's draw this really cool looking ninja cat from Battle Cats. And it's a game that my son kind of plays a little bit and he really likes it, so I figure let's draw some of the characters. Alright, so let's draw this ninja cat. So we're going to begin by drawing the headband first. So we're just going to draw one line across. You can give it a slight curve going up if you like. Right, and then we just kind of come down. Just make it a little bit wider on the bottom. And now I'm just gonna come across. So it'll just be one bar. Alright, and then we gotta draw just 3 little spikes. So come to the middle of this. I'm gonna draw a little kind of like an egg shape going this way. So that's one, and then on the corner right here, just touching the edge, one more. And then toward this side, okay, so one more. So we're kind of drawing everything kind of at an angle. It's going to be a 3/4 view, not a front view for this character. All right, and then from here we're going to draw the face. So right here on the side, just come down, and we're going to draw the same line here, but we're going to start on this side right here. So again, we're not seeing it straight on, that's why it's going to be a little bit offset. Okay, so once we have that, now we're going to come down, just close it off. Alright, so now we can draw in the face, the facial features I mean. So just come back to the center here, come down. Just one circle, that's going to be one eye. Now I'm going to come about right here for the other eye. And now let's draw in the nose. So right in the middle between the eyes right here, just come down. Just a little V shape. And then from this corner right here, drawing the mouth, just kind of hook it back up right around here. And then his mouth's gonna be open, so we're gonna come down right here. Okay, so that's his face. Nice. Hopefully it's nice and simple. So now let's finish it up with the shape of the head. So I'm gonna start right in the middle here. I'm just gonna come down and then go on this side. So again, there's more space over here. So now same thing here, we're just gonna curve, just round it out. And then now let's come back up here and draw in the ears. So I'm going to continue with this part here. I'm going to go up. Just come down. So that's one. And on this side right here, this one's going to go out this way. So flare out this side. And then come back in. So same kind of shape as this. And then now we can close this, whatever space you have here. Just close it off. Okay, so now that we have the top of the head, let's come down here and finish up the legs. So the legs are really simple. They're just like little triangles. So just right underneath the mouth right here. That's gonna be one. And then one more right here, a little bit smaller. And then let's see, come about right here to the side. Slightly longer. And then one more right here. Okay, so those are the legs, and then for the little sword right here, we're gonna draw the handle first. So just draw a little bar going out this way. And then the tip right here looks like a little bit sharper, so let's just give it a nice curve. Alright, and then in here, just add in 2 little diamond shapes. And now we're gonna draw in the, finish up the blade, or the handle right here. It's gonna be like an egg shape, so this will be the center of the egg shape. So just kind of curve like this first. Just make a little bracket right around the center of this. And now we're gonna draw the other side. So same thing here, just the opposite. And then now, come straight down here on the bottom, and then we're gonna draw one more curve, same as this. And it's gonna be tucked behind it so we won't see the full curve. Alright, so that is it for this very hopefully simple to draw ninja cat from Battle Cats. And I hope you guys like this, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.